So hello and welcome everybody. Myself CMS Sanket Pandit. So congratulations to each and everybody. Finally, all the stress, anxiety, whatever was there for the existing student, finally the exam is over. Now everybody can relax. Everybody can enjoy. Yes, there are few points I would like to make. First thing, I would like to give you a little update. Then I will talk to you all for some time. First thing is regarding foundation course, the examination which is going to start from January 2022. So the guidelines for the foundation examination will be released in the last week. Pappan sir has tweeted all the information. So first is regarding foundation, that the guidelines for foundation will be released till last week of December. Second, foundation examination model exam is also going to be conducted for foundation course. So foundation course model exam will be available on or before 27th of December. थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट, स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गोइंग टू राइट सेकंड फेज, जिनका एग्जाम बाद में होने वाला था दिसंबर में, जिनका नहीं हुआ है, सो स्टूडेंट्स हु आर एलिजिबल टू राइट सेकंड फेज कैन एक्सपेक्ट देयर एडमिट कार्ड्स आफ्टर 21st. एनी टाइम इट कैन कम, बट अपर लिमिट इज अराउंड 21st टू 25th के बीच में कभी भी एडमिट कार्ड आ सकता है. Exam schedule for the second phase, that is from 3rd January, whatever your exam is going to be start, can be released by the institute on Monday itself. So on Monday you can get whatever timetable, whatever schedule is there. Schedule is same, 8 दिन 8 पेपर रहते, but still institute will release. Suggested answer also of the December 2021 examination will be hosted on the institute website after the examination gets over. And one more important thing for which I would like to thank our honorable president sir also, that आप अगर एग्जाम लिख रहे थे, इफ यू वेर राइटिंग एग्जाम, यू गिव वन एग्जाम और टू एग्जाम्स एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू सफर्ड ड्यू टू कोविड और यू गॉट द सिम्टम्स ऑफ कोविड, you did the testing and you were COVID positive, then you submit all the relevant documents to the examination department and you are eligible. I repeat, you are eligible to give the examination which is going to be conducted from 3rd January. Only genuine cases who got affected due to COVID and who have all the documentation and all, they can request to the examination department and surely you may be allowed to give the examination for in the second phase. And those who face some trouble or something, or you have some feedback and all, yes I know there कहाँ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम भी हुआ है, आई कैन डेफिनेटली अंडरस्टैंड. आई एम नॉट लाइक सब एकदम अच्छा हो गया है, लेकिन वॉट एवर प्रॉब्लम एंड ऑल इज देयर, यू कैन राइट अ मेल टू मी and surely in a positive way, in a official manner, I will surely communicate all your problems which I am doing from last 5 years and will like to do for last 50 years in the coming 50 years to the institute. So whatever suggestions or problems or whatever you faced, you can write an email or you can comment. I will compile it and I will send it to the institute. This is it. जिनका एग्जाम अच्छे से हुआ, एंजॉय. बहुत एक साल भर आपने पढ़ाई करी, नाउ यू कैन रिलैक्स, यू कैन एंजॉय क्रिसमस. I wish you everybody a very happy new year also in advance and merry Christmas to each and everybody. Stay safe, take care those who are having the exam. All the very best.